Hello, I'm Marcus Boston. Quick educational video today, and we are going to discuss how do you go about finding the best birth injury attorney for your family and for your situation. Now, this is not going to be a long video. I just want to hit on some really quick points with this. In today's time, there's a lot of information out here in regards to lawyers and to medical malpractice and certain types of injury cases. And so what I want to help you understand is something that a lot of times people do not talk about, and it is very important if you are in the process of trying to find an attorney to help you or a law firm. And that issue is, will that attorney or that law firm, are they a good fit for you? That's really important because these cases can take a very long time. They can take years to get through these cases. And you want to know as soon as possible whether this lawyer or this law firm, will they be a good fit? And how do you go about doing that? Well, like, for example, you're watching me on this video right now. You're watching me. You get to see who I am. You get to see my mannerisms. You get to see me discuss these types of issues. And so things like this is important when trying to determine whether this lawyer or this law firm, whether they'll be a good fit for you. Another thing, you want to make sure that you go to their website. What information is on their website? And I'm not talking about just the typical stuff. For example, I've recovered over $5 million for a family, or I've been practicing for X amount of years. I've done that too, but there's more to it than that. So make sure that when you're on these websites, you're looking at what type of information. Do they have videos on their website? Do they have books or any other types of information that you can use to not only get to see if you're a good fit, but to learn a little bit more about the process. So that's the purpose of today's video. I didn't want to take too much time to get into this, but I just want to make sure that you understand, if you're out here looking, be sure to take a look at some of these other important characteristics also, because like I said, these cases can take a long time to get through, and you definitely want to make sure that the attorney or the lawyer or the law firm that you're dealing with, you want to make sure that they are a good fit. If you have more questions for me, if you feel that I would be a good fit, there's a telephone number down below. Go ahead and pick up the phone and call me. I talk with families all the time about HIE, hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy, shoulder dystocia issues, brachial plexus injuries, MAS, subsequent CP or cerebral palsy diagnoses. This is what we do. One more thing before I leave and get out of here. Got to make sure that you understand that I practice law here in the state of Maryland. And if you are watching this video and you're not in Maryland, but you reach out and contact me, you got to understand that if you do that, I have to use what we call co-counsel or local counsel. In other words, an attorney in your state to help push everything through. So I just want to make sure that you understand that co-counsel or local counsel aspect of things. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law here in the state of Maryland at Boston Law Group, LLC. We will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.